Hello everyone, welcome back to AGC channel. I'm Will. Still waiting over 5 years to see returns on your industrial lighting retrofit? Not anymore.
Hello guys! In today's video, we will help you get a return on investment in 2 to 3 years instead of the usual 5 years.
Awesome, and if you're unsure about what ROI is, don't worry. The key factor influencing your ROI include annual energy cost saving, annual maintenance cost saving, and total investment cost.
The higher the ROI rate, the more cost-effective your lighting retrofit will be.
According to the latest data from the International Energy Agency, industrial electricity accounts for 40% of global electricity consumption, and lighting alone makes up about 50%.
That's unbelievable, right?
Absolutely. So, AGC stands out as a leading industrial lighting manufacturer. Nancy, any solution to reduce power consumption?
Thanks, Will. When it comes to lighting retrofits, LED is always the best choice. LED lights have longer lifespan and use up to 80% less energy than traditional halogen sources, while providing the same brightness level. And LED technology keeps improving. Some of our lights even reach 210 lumen per watt. Take a look at this recent electricity price data. For example, in the UK, if we switch to a 210 lumen per watt high bay instead of the old low efficiency one, we can save around 60% to 70% per year.
Wow, that's impressive. Why not use less investment for a high efficiency high bay with lower wattage?
Exactly. At AGC, we offer a range of high bay with over 200 lumen per watt efficiency at a cost-effective price. Intelligent controls are also an excellent solution for energy savings.
How about a little more detail?
At AGC, we provide plug-and-play sensors that easily connect to the high bay without complicated wiring. Most of our projects involve skylight windows. So, we use daylight harvesting sensor to adjust the light levels based on the natural light, improving energy efficiency. For large spaces, we will specify the remote control solution according to the customer's needs, whether wired like DALI or wireless like Bluetooth or Zigbee.
By doing this, an administrator can conveniently monitor energy usage and working states and customize lighting settings.
On the other hand, we also have focused on optimizing lighting and enhancing its quality.
Interesting. How do you do that?
At AGC, over 80% of our lights are equipped with multiple accessories with better lighting control to reduce glare and providing uniform lighting.
You can create a cozy lighting space with plenty of options.
Yes, we also have a major breakthrough in optics. Now, rack optics aren't confined to just linear high bays. They can also apply to round high bays. These lights can accurately direct light in the air without any wastage.
Really? Not all companies should be able to do this. Amazing.
Plus, customers can choose human-centric lighting that can adjust its color, temperature, and intensity based on the time of day to promote well-being and improve productivity.
As the day progresses, the light gradually transitions to warmer and softer tones, reducing the impact of artificial light on the body's natural circadian rhythms.
You are right.
Any tips for reducing maintenance costs?
Absolutely. We believe all lighting fixtures should be designed to last, be quickly installed, and require easy maintenance. Less maintenance means less spending for customers.
Thanks, Nancy. So, before diving into lighting retrofit, it's advisable to conduct an energy audit to assess your current lighting system and determine the most suitable options for your specific needs and budget.
I couldn't agree more. AGC is always here to help you provide valuable insights and guidance, making your energy source vigilance. You can be rewarded in short time.
Alright, too much for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it with your friend. We'll see you next time.
If you have more tips about improving ROI, please feel free to contact us. Bye.